Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for all the support. So today's video is one of my ride or dies. But before I get into that, you know what I'm going to be telling you and my message. My message to you every single video is going to be to tell yourself that you're beautiful. That's right. I'm telling you that you are beautiful. Right now, with everything that's going on, it's so important for all of us to, have that self-love, within each other. That's the only way we're gonna have that happiness, that glow factor. So every morning when you wake up, I want you to tell yourself that you're beautiful, inside and out. All right, and I want you to have an amazing day. You are beautiful. Let's get right into the video. So today's video is a DIY mask for the face. For our face, our beautiful face, all the flaws, all the pigmentation, discoloration, that dirt and grind, from going outside and that sun exposure that we get. This mask is gonna help clear up and give you that glow. So what is that mask? It's a home remedy that I've been using for years. And I tweak it sometimes depending on what the concern is that day, what I want. But all of them give me that glow factor. So if I have pimples and things like that, I'll resort to, tweaking it and putting other ingredients in it. But this one, like I said, it's my ride or die. And if you're Indian, you've grown up with the base of it, which is gram flour, and it's gram flour, which is chickpea flour. So chickpea flour, you can get that anywhere at your Indian groceries, Asian groceries, or I'm gonna link it below. And you can get it from Amazon. And that is going to be the base of all of these masks that I use mostly. So this is what it looks like. If you guys can see here, I'm going to come in close if you can see. So that's what it looks like. So it's really nice, mild kind of cream color texture. And trust me, this helps with so many things. So let's start off with the things that it helps with. Helps clear out acne. It gives you the glow factor. It removes all the dirt and grind from your face. And let me grab my notes and let me tell you exactly what other things and it benefits here. So just bear with me while I'm looking down. I'm just looking down at my iPad. It has been known to fight infections. So I remember my grandmother telling me that this helps fight any sort of like skin eczema, infections or like rashes and things like that. It really calms that redness that's happening on your face. So that's what gram flour and chickpea flour is really, really good for. Trust me when I say this is so amazing for any kind of occasion, or you're just needing that lift in your skin and face. And like I had put mine on just like a few days back, and I forgot to actually shoot the video, so I wanted to just do a quick one right now and give you the ingredients and how I mix it and the tips and tricks about it. So the next ingredient is, you've heard it, and it's a big hot topic right now. It's turmeric. So I have a pinch of turmeric here, if you can see. All right. Turmeric, oh my God, another anti-inflammatory, right? Helps with acne, brightens the skin, and you only want to use a pinch of it in this face mask. Just a pinch of it, because if you use too much, most of you, if you already know, turmeric is it stains. So you don't want your face to be looking yellowish. So just a pinch of it in it. Once again, it helps with the glow factor. So a pinch of turmeric, okay? Then the next one we're going to be using is yogurt. Now, you can use any type of yogurt you want. I just have the regular yogurt, like it's not 1%, 2%, or anything like that, not Greek yogurt. But you can, like I said, you can use all that. But I have the yogurt right here, if you can see. Again, that's just about 1 teaspoon of yogurt, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything in here. Okay. And I did forget one key factor that I use almost every day, every night. And that is rose water. If you guys can see that, It is from Dabur Gulabari Premium Rose Water. Oh my God, I love smelling this. Like, this smells like a bed of roses, okay? And even when this mask is on, it smells so amazing, and it gives you that vibration of like calming, peaceful, you know, meditation vibes, that Zen feeling, you know, just smelling this rose water in it. So I'm gonna put, like, again, just half a teaspoon of rose water in here. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. So you guys can see here. I'm gonna show you there, okay? So you're gonna mix it up, and you're gonna get like this, not thin, runny kind of paste, but you're gonna get just this really nice textured in between, not thin, not thick, because you want to be able to stick it on your face, right? So once you've done all of that, all you do basically, once you get it all together, okay, nice consistency there. You're gonna take, you can take your fingers, right? I just take like a brush, like a face brush, and I dip it in there, and I will put it everywhere on my eyes. Don't get too close to your eyes, right? All around your face. Don't forget your neck, all the way down here, all the way to the back of your ears. I wear, like, you know, sort of like a headband to push my hair back, so all on your forehead, and you want to put it all over your face. You want to leave it for at least 20 minutes. Now you're going to start to feel the gram flour, the chickpea flour, harden up. So everybody's skin is different. So if you find that in about 15 minutes and it's getting too tight, you can go and wash it off. That's fine. So as long as it starts to get a little bit, you know, tightness, you're not going to be able to talk. Your lips are going to be like, you're going to start talking like this, and it's going to be like this really tough mask on, okay? I then jump in the shower. Normally I like to do this before my shower, before my shower. Or you can just, again, go to your sink, take a warm water, like lukewarm, not cold, not hot, just lukewarm water, and then you want to splash it first onto the mask, okay? Just to loosen everything up. Once it's loosened up a bit, then you want to start scrubbing your face and scrubbing all of that off, okay? You want to scrub it all off. And like in the shower, I won't just stick my face under the shower, because that would just be too harsh. Like I said, even in the shower, I just want to just like kind of splash the water on so it starts loosening up. And then after, I'll like wash it off nicely in the shower so it all comes off. After that, you're gonna get this glow. Like I said, I just used it two days ago, and I completely forgot to do this video because I really wanted to show you guys putting it on. But I'm gonna use this one now on my husband. So, yep, you heard me, on my husband. He loves getting these facials from me. I'll steam his face, and then I'll put this mask on for him. So that's why I thought, okay, well, I'm going to be giving him like a mini facial. And trust me, he gets so happy. He's looking at himself, and after he does his shave and whatnot, and he's like, oh, wow. You know, I'm like, and he's got this little smile happening, this little, you know, glow kick factor happening. So go ahead and try it on your husbands or spouses or whoever they are, your boyfriends or girlfriends. They're going to love you for it. Trust me. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. And like I said, all these ingredients are home remedies. You don't have to spend a lot of money out there to have these amazing masks and get that glow factor. It helps with a lot of anti-inflammatory issues, redness, acne, skin discoloration. Oh my God, chickpea flour for discoloration is amazing. So a lot of benefits with these great products. And like I said, you can use this, you know, once a week, or if you have an occasion that's happening, do it the night before. And, you know, always do a test patch, because everybody's skin is different, and I don't want you guys to get a bad reaction from this. I'm not, you know, an expert, but this is what's worked for me. And again, this is what my channel is about, is to share with you guys what's working for me and all my tips and tricks regarding skincare, beauty, do-it-yourselves. And let me know in the comments below if you do try it, and how did it you know, feel and work out for you, and did you get that glow factor? So please, like, if you know, hit the thumbs button and like the video, and let me know in the comments. I will reply to you. And share and subscribe to the J Glow family. And I really love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for tuning in. And once again, take care. Bye.